Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by revealing formatting marks so you can see exactly what's causing extra gaps. Turn on the paragraph symbol and show /hide. This exposes spaces, tabs, and manual breaks. Once done, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H. This is the one tool that solves most spacing issues. Make sure to scan the document visually first so you know whether the problem is multiple spaces, tabs, or breaks. You'll target each differently in the next step. You now perform precise replacements. To remove extra spaces, enter 2 spaces in Find and 1 space in Replace, and click Replace All. Repeat until no double spaces remain. For tabs, put T in Find and a single space or nothing in Replace. For stray line breaks, use L, and for paragraph marks, use P. Once you run Replace All, step through a few instances with Find next to confirm Word isn't merging text incorrectly, and undo if anything looks off. You finish by fixing layout settings and verifying styles. Check paragraph spacing values and reset abnormal before /after or line spacing. Make sure styles don't carry inconsistent spacing. Once done, reapply a clean style like normal to affected text. If problems persist, use clear formatting or paste the content into a new document to strip hidden codes. Troubleshooting tip: if Replace All causes unexpected merges, immediately press Ctrl+Z.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.